my gosh, I'm so sorry about that. No, it's not you. I know that's not an appropriate thing for a person to do,
and I can totally explain why I just did that.
It's fantastic. I mean, this is our 35th anniversary here for Theater Columbus State, and to be able to celebrate that in this brand new facility that is providing opportunities for our students that they never had in the past, it's just very exciting.
This is our new lighting console. We have an inventory of over 100 color-changing LED fixtures, and they're all controlled from here. So we have a whole new level of control over the lighting that appears on stage. Before, we used to have older lighting fixtures that, in order to change the color, you had to get up there, change out the gels. You could turn them on and off, but that was it. And now, with this new console, we're able to change the color of any lighting fixture to whatever we want at any time, even in the middle of a performance. Students will now have access to the very latest technology that's used in the theater industry.
We are no longer Nestor Auditorium. We are now Nestor Hall Center for Performing Arts, which actually encompasses everything that we do, because we have our theater program, our music program, and even some of our arts programs are going to be displaying here as well. Lovesick will be performed nightly April the 23rd through the 26th at 8 p.m. with a 2 p.m. performance on April the 24th. Admission is free.